Hey everybody! If you're a creator like me and you're searching for a tripod that won't steal all your coins, then stay right there and watch me as I unbox a tripod that I found for under $20. Alrighty, so today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Torjim 51-inch tripod with Bluetooth remote that I got from Amazon. I've been in need of a tripod, but this lady's on a budget, so I've been putting it off. But I decided to search on Amazon and see what I could find, and I found this one that was under $20. So let's open it up now and see what it's all about. So it comes with a carry case and it looks pretty decent and convenient as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It feels pretty lightweight, but as I open it up, it looks pretty sturdy. It's a cute little thing. It's all black, it's compact. The description says that it's made with all aluminum. It's why it's probably so lightweight. But yeah, I can work with this. The main thing though is that it seems to be fairly sturdy. And then you can see at the top there, it has a screw where I'm assuming you can attach your phone to it. I see it has a bubble leveler as well, so that when you stand it on a table or the floor, that you can make sure that it is level. Now let's see what else is in the bag here. It looks like these are the instructions for the tripod. It looks like it shows you what the different knobs are on the tripod and how to use them. It also gives you instructions for the Bluetooth remote. I'm assuming it tells you how to connect it to your phone so that you can take pictures or video without having to touch your phone. And here is the Bluetooth remote, and you can use it for iOS or Android phones. Next we have, looks like the adjustable attachment for your phone, and I believe that screws on to the tripod. Now next I'm going to go ahead and screw the camera holder onto the tripod. And what I noticed at first was that moving the arm up and down was really pretty difficult, and I wasn't sure if I liked that or not. Well, I didn't like that. And at first I also had a bit of difficulty screwing on the phone holder to the tripod, but I finally got it. Next, I'm going to try extending the legs, and you should just be able to unclip the clamps there, and you should be able to extend the legs out to make it taller. Now, I'm not sure if it's just me or not, but extending those legs out was a bit of a process, but I finally got it done. Guess what, y'all? I found out after I recorded this video that the arm that I told you was really stiff and hard to move, I found out that you have to rotate it or twist it counterclockwise to make it looser so it can rotate or move smoothly, and then you twist it back to the right or clockwise to tighten it up. My bad. Now, did you see how tall this thing got? That is pretty good, if I do say so myself. I like that. Now I'm going to work on bringing this thing on down back to size. Okay, y'all, so let's talk about this. There's the tripod, and it comes with a carry case, which is really convenient. It has the Bluetooth remote so that you can take pictures or video without touching your camera. There is the attachment to hold your phone onto the tripod, and also if you have a camera that has a screw hole underneath the bottom, you can use the camera on this tripod as well. Now let's talk about the quality. It's lightweight, but even though it's lightweight, it really appears to be sturdy. Turns out the stiffness in the arm just was because I didn't know how to unscrew it, and off screen it turned out to be able to rotate and move very smoothly. So overall, even though it took me a minute to get the legs up and down, I think I got a steal of a deal. I got a tripod and everything that comes with it for under $20. What do you think? If you feel the same way after watching this, click the link down in the description box and get one for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.